How to use Booking.com Member Deals feature. To use the Booking.com Member Deals feature, first of all, you have to go ahead and launch the Booking.com application on your device, and also make sure to sign up to your account or simply sign up for Booking.com. Once you do this, stay logged in. Now you simply have to perform a search. Go ahead and tap on this search bar at the top, then type in your destination, select your date, and now proceed to search. Once you are here within this search results or listing, you simply have to tap on this filter option. From here, you simply have to scroll down and then enable the Genius or Member Deals. Once you find it, you simply have to go ahead and check or tick box right next to it. Then tap on this search or show results option. You should be able to find all the listings with discounts over here. You need to level up for bigger discounts. You need to be level 2 to upgrade your discount up to 15% off and unlock free perks on selective properties like free breakfast and free room upgrades. You can get maximum discounts up to 20% off and free breakfast, room upgrades, and priority customer support on all bookings if you are in Genius Level 3. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.